Good day, everyone. You are welcome. My name is Peter Emanje Adaviruku. At Geojay GIS Solution, we offer services in installation, training, data acquisition, data integration, and data analysis. Today, I want to show you how to do band composites in ArcGIS. How to do band composites in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So when we talk of band composite, what do we mean by that? See, when satellite image is being captured, it's captured in multiple wavelengths of reflected light, otherwise known as image bands. So these bands that are acquired, we can combine them. For example, we can combine three images, three bands of the image into one picture by displaying each band either as red, green, or blue. The computer screen has the ability or capacity to display image in three different bands at a time. So by using different primary color for each band, we can combine these three images. We get a color composite. This is what we mean. Let's say we have band 1, band 2, band 3 up to band 7 together. So we can combine these bands together to form a single image, and this single image that we form, we can now decide that the blue, which is the three primary color, blue, green, red, so we can decide to interchange the bands. Maybe band 4 to be the blue color, band 3 to be the green, for example band 2 to be the red. So by the time we combine these three together, what the result we have will be something like this. So let's go into ArcGIS to demonstrate it. So in ArcGIS, let's add our images. Let's go to navigate to our folder. It's in under images, 2001 satellite image. So I want to add band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7, band 8. So let's add it together and see what we have. So by the time we add the bands, band 1 to 8, it's Landsat 8. This is what we have for the 8 bands. Now to do the band composite, which is our exercise for today, band composites in ArcGIS. So what we do is you go to window, image analysis. So the band we've added, all the 8 bands are already displaying here. So you highlight all the 8 bands, all the bands, highlight all. Then you come here under processing, see composite band, you click on it. So it will run. It has run. So this is the band. So the band has been combined together, the 8 band has been combined. Band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8 we added has been combined. So has been combined. Now for our study, let's take, to appreciate this work, let's take our study area. Let's cut out our study area so that we'll be able, from this the band we have combined, so that we'll be able to do the other things. So to do that, let's add our study area. Let's go to our data. Let's add Gwagwalada, add. So Gwagwalada is our study area. Zoom to layer. So let's change this to holo and change the color to red. Change the color to red. Let's make it 2. Say okay. So this is our study area. So let's cut out our study area from our band composite, the bands we have combined, all the 8 bands we have combined together. So to do that, you come to search. In search and extract by mask. Extract by mask. Let's search for it. So you come here, extract by mask under spatial analyst tool. This is extract by mask, this one. Click on it. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now you click here, input raster. It is this band composite we have inputted. So then raster or mask features, we will use Gwagwalada, which is our study area. Then is we want to cut out our study area from this image. Then you locate your file where you want to save it and save it with a name. So I want to save it with, let me save it, let's say 2001. It's a 2001 image. Let's just save it with 2001. Okay, so you click on OK and wait for it. It's running background. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's a success. It has extracted our study area. Now we can now remove the remaining ones because we don't need them again. All this one to here, we can now remove them. So that we'll be left with the study area we have extracted. Now I want to show you something. When you combine the bands together, we have combined the bands together to form a single image, and we have successfully extracted our area of study. Now what we want to do now is we want to do band combinations. Now in here, in band composite, this is common Landsat band composite for Landsat 425 TM and Landsat 7. This is series of band combinations, and for Landsat 8, which is the one we are using. So if you want color infrared, you combine band 543. If you want natural color, it will be band 432. If you want force color composite, it will be 654. So now let's go back to our data. Now if you come back here, this one, remember what I said here, we want to use natural color. So we want to combine band 4, band 3 and 2. 432. So 432, it means this one will be band 4. You see the result changing. This one will be band 2. Band 3. Band 3. You see the result changing. And this one will be band 2. You can see now. So this is how to do band composites in ArcGIS. So after done that, you can now see clearly the image. You can now see them clearly, the image. So you can manipulate it on your own. You can change this one. We have different band combination, maybe 543, 654, as you wish. This is how to do band composite in ArcGIS. And one advantage of it is that it helps you to be able to discriminate between images. So it helps you to discriminate between images. And once again, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.